All right, YouTube, welcome back to another video here. We are on Q15, and we're looking at Tuesday's homework. We're going to be focusing on find the missing addend. And I think that's it, actually, looking up at this. I guess we can do another find the difference problem. Find the difference and find the missing addend. So estimate the difference between 206 and 167. Okay, so we have 206, 167. So when we're estimating, we kind of want to round. We want to round, okay? Now it depends. Do we want to round to the hundreds place? Or do we want to round to the tens place for this? I think rounding to the tens place is good. Okay, so we're going to round to the tens place for both of these numbers. Our first step in rounding was find your place. Find your place. Okay, so we found our place, which is the tens place. That is going to tell you the first number in your number line. 0 is the first number in our number line. This 0 was the first number in our number line. And because we're rounding to the tens place, the difference between these two numbers should be 10. Right? 206, 205 is in the middle. So 206 is just to the right of it. So 210 is our first number. 210 is our first number. Once again, we're rounding each one of these numbers to the nearest tens place, then we're going to subtract. Okay, 167. Once again, the 6 is the number. Step number 1 is find your place. Which place? The 6 is the tens place. So we have 160, 170. The 6 tells us the first number in our number line. See how I have the 6 here and the 6 here? That tells us the first number in our number line. 167, well, 165 is there. 167 is there. So 170 is our number. So just by way of review, we rounded each one of these numbers to the nearest tens place. Then we're subtracting because the question was estimate the difference. So first you have to estimate, then you have to find the difference. So we got a lot going on here. This is kind of a hard problem because you have to estimate and subtract. Now I'm going to show you another little strategy here to subtract. What you can do you see how you can take away 0 from 0? Sure, that's 0. But I can't take away 7 from 1, can I? No. If I want 7 dogs and somebody only has 1, can I get 7 dogs from them? No. But what if I did this? What if I combined these two places and made it 21 minus 17? See how I did that? Instead of just going 1 minus 7, why don't I just combine the hundreds and the tens place? Now 21 minus 7 is 4. The final answer here for estimate the difference is 40. That's another little subtraction tip there. You can combine place values to subtract. A lot going on there. Look how much work goes on there. The back of your homework should be covered with doing your work. Or you can staple an extra piece of paper to your homework. You should be, your homework should be covered with work. All right. The second problem we were doing is find the missing addend. 98 plus blank. 98 plus blank equals 223, right? Just double check. Yes. 98 plus what? There's lots of different strategies that we could use here, but a number line is a good one. Check out this number line. I'm going to start at 98, and then I'm going to add my way up to 223, and that's going to tell us what goes in there. How much do I have to add to 98 to get to 223? Well, let's do a number line. Let's do 2. Why did I choose 2? Look at that. Now I go to a nice friendly number like 100. Some of you might know that 100 plus 123 gives you 223. You could get this whole thing done in 2 jumps. What's the difference between 100 and 223? 123. Some of you in here are like, yeah, I got that. But let's say you're not sure. Why don't you just add 100? That takes you to 200. Most of you in here should be able to do 100 plus 100. Okay, I'm trying to get to 223. Why don't I just do a 20? 23 is not a friendly number. 20 is, though, because it's a multiple of 10. Am I close? Yes, I'm really close. Now I just need to add a 3. 223. Now I just have to add up my jumps. And that's going to tell me the difference, or what I need to make up here to get to that. What do I need to add to 98 to get to that? Well, my jumps are going to tell me. So 100, 120, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 125. Using the number line strategy, you can find the missing addend. Okay.